Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to solve some exercises based on sentences. In our previous video, we have learned about sentences and how it forms. So, without any further discussion, let's get started. What are sentences? Sentences are a group of words that make complete sense. Okay? So let's see these examples. Students, see this group 1. Lost, I, watch, month. क्या ये सही sentence है? Is it correct? No, it is not correct. So, the correct one is I lost my watch. And after we complete our sentence, at the end, we have put here full stop. Now see, group 2. Had, long, has, she. क्या ये सही sentence है? No, it is not a correct statement. So, the true statement is she has long had. Then after completing a sentence, put a full stop. So, this is sentence. So, students, now you know how to make a sentence or how to form a sentence. So, let's recall. What are sentences? Sentences are group of words that make complete sense. Clear here? So students, we studied about sentences and how it is formed. Now we are going to solve some questions based on sentences. So let's start. Rewrite the following groups of words in their proper order. Okay, first one. The, is, cat, sleeping, floor, the, all. So, what is the correct answer? Okay, the cat is sleeping on the floor. And after completing the sentence, put a full stop. Come on, second one. The king, the lion is jungle of the. So, now what is the answer? The lion is the king of the jungle. Okay, now third one. Our building, school, very big is. Now answer. Okay, our school building is very big. अब 4 and 5 ये जो 2 क्वेश्चंस बचे हैं ये आपको सॉल्व करना है और मुझे कमेंट बॉक्स में कमेंट करके इसका आंसर दीजिए. ओके, बाय बाय, सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो.